Welcome to another episode of our educational video series. In today's fun science experiment, we are going to make a DVD disc dance. Wow, that's so cool! But before that, I want you to do one little thing. Please click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on our new videos. If you want to try this experiment at home, you would need a bottle cap, which has a small hole in it, a balloon, a hot glue gun, and of course, a CD or DVD disc. Let's use the hot glue gun to stick the bottle cap to the DVD disc. So let's do that. Let's blow up the balloon now. I have already blown up the balloon, and also I have put some string around it, so to make it easy for me when I put it on the bottle cap. So now let's do that. The string, so now let's play with it. It's kind of like air hockey. We are done with this video. Thank you very much for watching. Hope you are enjoying our educational video series. Give this experiment a try at home and let me know how our experiment goes down in the comment section below. See you in the next episode. Bye bye. Assalamu alaikum.